Hello students, welcome back. So this is question number 5 from exercise 1.1 of NCERT book of class 11th. So what is question? List all elements of following sets. जो भी set given है, for every set we have to list all the elements. Simply means we have to convert set builder form to tabular form, which we have already done earlier in this exercise. ठीक है, same question we'll be doing that as well. So I'm reviewing this question now. First part, x is an odd natural number. X की है बच्चे, x such that x पहला x क्या, then such that, then he's talking about the x किया भी x is an odd natural number. It's a natural number, that means it starts from 1. It is odd number, that means it is 1. After that it cannot be 2, it will be 3. After that it will be 5. After that it will be 7 and so on. Dash are must, because it's not a fixed period, it's a infinite period, because there are infinite number of odd numbers. Is that clear or not? Good. Next, go for the second part. X is an integer. So सबसे पहला integer सोचो बच्चे के अंदर, they are real numbers except decimal values. All real numbers except decimal values are called to be integers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, फिर then 0, then -1 -2 -3 -4 and so on. ठीक है? So x is an integer. Clear? It means it can be negative, it can be positive, it can be 0, but it cannot be a pointed value. Then x is less than 9/2, greater than -1/2. -1/2, it is equals to -0.5. Yes or no? And 9/2 is equals to 4.5. Between them 4.5 to less integer केड़ा होता है? 4, then 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. उस तो बाद क्या होता बच्चे? -1. But -1 is less than this. For x should be greater than this. So ये नहीं लमांगे. So we have answer is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Is that clear or not? क्योंकि 4.5 तो less है, -0.5 तो greater. Good. Third part देखो बच्चे, if you can. X is an integer, again same part, x integer, but x square is less than 4. Now as x square is less than equals to 4, think about which integers whose square is less than 4. 0, okay, good. Then 1 the square 1, acceptable. -1 the square भी 1 होता है, acceptable. Then 2 the square 4. Then -2 the square भी कितना होता है? 4. Again let me draw 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. 0 the square भी less than 4 होता, 1 the square भी less than 4 होता, 2 the square equals to 4 होता का, -1 the square less than 4 होता का, -2 the square equals to 4 होता. अगर मैं 2 तो कोई भी ग्रेटर वैल्यू लेना, that will be greater than 4, यानी कि कंडीशन हो गई. अगर मैं -2 तो लेस कोई भी लेना तो भी, क्योंकि स्केयर तो पॉजिटिव होता का, that will be again greater than 4. So again अपने को की जो कंडीशन this satisfy हो, so answer is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Remember, negative the square positive होता. Good. So clear? Let us go for the part 4. X is a letter of the word loyal. So X is the letter of the word loyal. Loyal word the letter. So letters लिख दे अपा. सब तो पहला L, then O, then Y, then A, then L. और सेट च कोई भी एलिमेंट रिपीट नहीं होता. So we will not repeat. So that is your answer. क्लीयर। सो ऑलमोस्ट सेम क्वेश्चन जो अर्लियर अपन ने किए, अगर तुम वो नहीं किए बेटर टू गो फॉर दैम एज वेल, अगर स्टिल यू डोंट हैव टाइम सो दे आर क्वाइट ईजी। नेक्स्ट फिफ्थ पार्ट देखो बच्चे, एक्स, where x is a month, there are 12 months of the year not having 31 days, मतलब x की वो मंथ है ईयर का जिहदे विच 31 डेज नहीं होंगे, नथिंग। जैन च कितने डेज होंगे 31, सो इट कैन नॉट बी x। फेब बिल्कुल, मार्च इट कैन नॉट बी x क्योंकि मार्च 31 डेज होंगे। अप्रैल इट कैन बी, मे अगेन 31 डेज होंगे। जून इट कैन बी, जुलाई 31 डेज होंगे। अगस्त 31 डेज होंगे। सितंबर 30 डेज होंगे। अक्टूबर 31 होंगे। नवंबर 30 होंगे। दिसंबर 31 डेज होंगे। सो वी हैव दीज 5 मंथ्स, फेब, अप्रैल, जून, सितंबर एंड नवंबर, जिन्हें 31 डेज नहीं होंगे, दैट मीन्स दे आर एक्स। Others having 31 days, they are not the part of this set. Clear? So again, very easy one. So that is the last part. So x is a consonant. So you remember we have 26 letters in English, okay? Out of which 5 are vowels, 21 are consonants. Now we have to write the consonants which precedes k. Precedes k मतलब k तो पहला होंगे, clear? So k तो पहला होने लगी a, but a cannot be the part क्योंकि a vowel होता है. We have to write the consonants. So it starts from b, then c, then d, then e. पर e नहीं लिखांगे, again it is vowel. Then f, then g, then h, आई नहीं लिखांगी, आई वोवला, जे, then okay. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J. These are the consonants preceding K. अगर vowels कहे होंगे फिर आंसर क्या होता अपने को? A, E, I. ये 3 letters हैं बच्चे जो vowels हैं that precedes K. But they have asked us only for consonant. So answer is B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Clear? So again go through this question. In case of any doubt, you can convey me. Keep studying, keep learning. Stay tuned. Thank you.